Good morning, children. Welcome back to our science class. Grade 7. Today we are discussing the same topic, heat energy transfers. So, the science checkpoint book 3, page number 217. Now we are discussing the process evaporation. So, what is evaporation, children? You already learned this before. So what is evaporation? Is a process that occurs on the surface of a liquid as it changes into the gas. So the liquid will change into gas in this process. Okay, children, you can see here. See what is happening in evaporation. You know, liquid is made up of particles. So the particles near the surface means here. The particles near the surface, when they get heat energy, what will happen? When they get more energy, they will start to move more. So they will get more kinetic energy. So kinetic energy, you know that. So energy of motion. So they will started to move more fast. And what will happen? They can break through the surface, and the particles can escape into the high energy particles can escape into the air, and they form a gas. So they escape as gas. This is called evaporation. Examples for evaporations. Before that, children, we have to discuss another thing. I told you during evaporation what is happening? The high energy particles are escaping as gas. That means what will happen? The amount of energy remaining in the liquid is reduced. That means the temperature of the liquid will drops. So it make it cooler. When evaporation happening, that time the remaining liquid will become cool. So I will tell the first example to you, sweating. So sweating, what is happening during our muscles? When you are doing exercise or doing some activities, our muscles release some energy. So the energy will increase. What will happen? The heat, body temperature will rise. So the sweat glands produce sweat. When sweat evaporates, what will happen? The body temperature will drops. So it will cool our body. So it is really helpful. Next we are discussing about the evaporation is also used to keep refrigerators and freezers cool. How it is useful for refrigerators and freezers to cool? So here we can discuss it. It is a cycle of reaction. What is happening in our refrigerators, in our freezers? What is happening? We can discuss here. The first one, what is happening? See, a gaseous substance called refrigerant is filled in a compressor. And a compressor is squashed with the refrigerant. Refrigerant is a gas, okay? So when it will increase the pressure. So during increased pressure, what will happen? The refrigerant will change into liquid and release into the tubes in cold compartments. So it will release liquid. So it gas change into liquid. And what is happening? The pressure drops rapidly. That time the pressure drops rapidly, decrease. So the particles evaporated and form a gas. Again the liquid change into gas. It reduces the temperature and cools the compartment. The how the compartment become cools like this. Again, what will happen? It will change. The refrigerant leaves the compartment and return to compressor as gas. So again it came as a gas. So again it go to the compressor and it is again continuous process. So what will happen? The compartment will become very cool. That is happening in our refrigerator and freezers. Okay children, now we are discussing about the thermos flask structure. So what is thermos flask? Okay, the flask we are using this one. Okay children, Sir James Dewar, a scientist, he invented thermos flask. Actually, he gave the name Dewar flask, but now it is known as thermos flask. So the structure of thermos flask is this like internal structure. Okay, so we can discuss. Already we learned that different ways of the 3 ways of heat transfer. So here how we are reducing the heat transfer in the thermos flask, that we are discussing, because we get the hot tea whenever we need. When we are taking from the flask, it will be, the tea will be very hot. Then how we are keeping it? A normal bottle, we can't keep it like very hot, so it will become cold. So here it is not happening. So what is the structure of this flask? We are discussing that. So this is the hot tea inside it. So these are the thin walls. Here we can see one wall, and this is also another wall. The thin walls are made of glass. This glass is a poor conductors. That means it also will prevent the loss of heat. Okay, and another thing in between here is, this one is the vacuum. Vacuum means what is, you know that there is no air, nothing. So vacuum, we already learned that conduction and convection both will not take place in the vacuum. So it is a protection. So what is also here? So only will happen which process? Only radiation will take place, but you know that here very shiny surface. Shiny means the radiation also there will be less, radiates very little heat. Okay, so here also a protection. So another, here you can see a plastic stopper. What is happening? This plastic stopper prevents heat being lost by convection and evaporation. So here also it stops transfer of heat. And also here cork to hold flask in place. This also prevent the transfer of heat. So this structure very helpful for preventing heat energy lost. So here transfer of heat is very less. That's why the hot tea remaining hot in this thermos flask. Okay children, I will show you a video. Watch carefully.
Because of heat transfer.
We can see here different ways of.
We will learn about different ways in which transfer of heat can take place.
When you keep an object near burning wood, it becomes hot because of heat transfer.
Or radiation.
In this video, we will learn about
from one object gets transferred to other object by direct contact. It is known as conduction.
It can be transferred from
For example, when we make tea, heat from stove gets transferred to steel pan because of direct contact, and thus this is conduction. When you iron your clothes, heat energy gets conducted from iron to clothes.
For example, when we make tea,
in convection method, movement of particles of liquid or gas cause transfer of heat from heat source. Let's take an example of pot of water. As we heat it, water particles near the heat source get heated first. We know that addition of heat causes increase in movement of particles, thus these particles move
Let's take an
randomly and a
example of
relatively
boiling
empty
water.
space is
As we
formed.
heat it, water particles
To
near
fill
the
this
heat source
space,
gets heated
particles
first.
from far areas move
We
here.
know that addition of heat causes
Again,
increase
these
in
particles
movement of
acquire heat
particles.
energy
Thus,
and
these
move away.
particles move randomly and the relatively
This
empty
process goes on
space
and
is
whole
formed.
water becomes hot.
To fill this space,
In
particles
conduction
from far
and
areas
convection,
move here.
there is a medium in which heat gets
Again, these
transferred.
particles acquire heat energy
But
and
there
move
is no
away.
medium between sun and earth.
This
Still
process
we
goes
get
on
heat
and
from
whole
it.
water becomes hot.
When heat transfer
In
takes place
conduction
without
and
any
convection,
medium,
there is
it
a
is
medium
called
in which heat
radiation.
gets transferred.
You must have seen
But
people
there is
sitting
no medium
around the
between
fire.
sun and
Here
earth.
too, heat
Still,
is transferred in the form of radiation.
when heat
In
transfer
fact,
takes
every hot
place
body
without any
radiates
medium,
heat and
it
becomes
is called
cold.
radiation.
Let's
You
take
must
an
have
example
seen
of
people
boiling
sitting
water
around
on
the
a
fire.
stove.
Here too, heat is
From
transferred in the
stove,
form of
heat
radiation.
conducts to pot as it is directly
In
in
fact,
contact.
every hot body radiates heat and
Due to
becomes cold.
convection, all the water particles receive
Let's
heat.
take an example of boiling water
If you
on
bring
a
your hand
stove.
very close to side of the pot,
From
you will
stove,
feel
heat
little
conducts
hotness.
to pot
This
as it
is
is
because
directly in
radiations coming
contact.
from pot.
Due to convection, all the water particles receive heat. If you bring your hand very close to side of the pot, you will feel little hotness. This is because radiations coming from pot.